Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Joanna Eloto, SRA of the ongoing NICER on Establishment of Philippine Native Pig Research, Development and Extension Center with one project component, the market-driven upscale productivity of Marcaduque Native Pig. So in behalf of my colleagues, may I present to you the highlights and accomplishment of Year 2. So the general objective of the project is to increase the productivity and production efficiency of Marcaduque Native Pig in the nucleus herd multiplier farm and farmer beneficiaries by strengthening the research capability of MSC through the establishment of the RDE Center. For facilities improvement, the Philippine Native Pig Center building, composed of swine artificial insemination laboratory, the audiovisual room and office rooms are operational. We conducted renovation of free-range pens for Marcaduque breeders and renovation of lechon house and slaughtering house as well as the processing house. Our inventory as of September 30, 2021, Nucleus Farm inventory 591 heads, the cooperator inventory 69 heads, with a total of 660 heads. For self-productivity of Nucleus Elite breeders from January 2021 to June 2021, the average birth weight is 1.04 kilograms. The average litter size born alive is 7.7 head. The average litter size at weaning is 6.9 head. The average weaning weight is 3.75 kilograms. The average age of litter at weaning is 35 days. Percent pre-weaning mortality is 9.3%. And the insemination method, artificial insemination is 20, while the natural is 31. For monitoring of litter size in cooperator farm, the average litter size at birth is 6.34 head. The average litter size born alive is 5.95 head. The average litter size at weaning is 5.65 head. The average age of litter at weaning is 38 days. And the pre-wean mortality is 17.51%. The increase in the pre-wean mortality is due to the typhoons and unfavorable conditions in the locality. The piglet produced over the years shows the increasing trend from 2014 to 2020. The significant increase is achieved because of the increasing litter size of pigs and increasing in the number of litter size sows and boars, and additionally was the enabling of facilities provided by the DOST Picard GIA. For forage yield, from January to September 2021, forage are composed of trichantera assorted grasses, root crops, ipil-ipil, gabing San Fernando, napier grass, Guatemala, papaya fruit, mulberry leaves, sorghum leaves and trunks. We harvested 14,002.3 kilograms. And for seedling production, we are able to plant yellow corn, cassava, potted seedling of trichantera, and we conducted transplanting of seedlings of cantred. For seedling production, we planted yellow corn, cassava, trichantera, and we conducted weekly monitoring and data gathering of harvest yield and persistence of forage crops. For the equipment acquired for feed preparation, we had the feed mixer and the forage shredder. For Marcaduque Native Pig, we used the air-dried leaves, the shredded assorted leaves, the mix of the commercial feed and shredded leaves, and also we used the mixture of cooked gabing San Fernando and rice bran. For 6 accomplishments in Year 2, for publication, we were able to publish 2 papers in international journal, 1 international paper presentation, 1 news article published in Marinduque News Online, 29 videos of informative blogs, 19 videos of promotional blogs, and 4 promotional videos. For patents and intellectual property, 2 registered trademarks, Lechoner and Lechon Science, 1 copyright of Lechon Science book. For product, we had 664 total breeding stocks. For partnership, 1 signed MOU from Tawang Upland Farmers Association, 1 MOA with the LGU Santa Cruz, and 1 MOA LGU from Gasan, which is ongoing. For people and places, 74 farmers cooperators in 3 municipalities, 1 multiplier cooperator from Gasan, 3 personnels trained in estrus detection, 1 personnel trained on pregnancy diagnosis, 1 personnel trained on boar management, and 5 personnels are trained on boar semen collection. For promotion activities through social media platforms, the Marcaduque TV under YouTube 498 subscribers, while the Marcaduque Facebook page had 1,982 followers. The Year 3 proposed budget is 4,916,903.12, including the request to use the estimated Year 2 unutilized budget of 800,000 on top of Year 3 budget. For Year 3 target outputs, so for our year 3 work plan, and we are glad that the DOST card team conducted program monitoring and evaluation. So that's all, and thank you.